6 SST chapter number 1 History. The rest part we will discuss today. We will discuss about the source material of history. We can divide it into two parts. One is archaeological sources and another one is literary sources. Archaeological sources means the study of material remains of past human existence. That means those materials which were situated at past time, which are invented by the historians at today's life, those materials are called the archaeological sources. We can divide it into three parts. One is artifacts, second one is inscriptions, third one is the monuments. Artifact means the tools, weapons which were used at that primitive time. Those things were invented or discovered digging up the soil. Those things are called the artifact sources. Second one is the inscriptions, the written on the walls or rocks of different places. Those things you can see in Puri Jagannath Mandir. There are different kinds of inscriptions were mentioned there. From those sources, the historians can get many information. So those are called the inscription sources. Next one is the monuments. The temples, forts or palaces of that primitive time, those are also giving us the information about that time's architecture, sculpture, etc. So these are the total discussion about the archaeological sources. Next move to this part. This is the literary sources. Literary sources means the written records. Okay, so we can divide it into two parts. First one is the religious literature. Second one is the cellular literature. Religious literature means the religious books like Vedas of Hindus, then Pitakas of Buddhists. Next move to the cellular literature. Cellular literature means not connected with religion. That means the literature or the books or written records which are not included about the religious matter, like the Kautilya's Arthashastra. This thing is actually giving us the information of the economical status of that primitive time. So all these two kinds of sources are giving us the main information of that historical period. So we can say that the historians are kind of investigators who are getting the information through these sources and giving us more and more news about that primitive time. So you have to read from page number 4 to 7 very well, the rest part of this chapter. If you have any queries, you can ask me through the comment. Thank you.